What's up? 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 Hey, it's Marky Key back with another video, and I'm dropping one daily, as always. So we're doing a cook with me tonight. So we're doing. Hold on, and I gotta start this over. What's up? 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 Good evening, people. Merry gang. And today I'm back with another video, as always, dropping one every day. Please like, watch, and subscribe, and then we're about to get right into it. So today is going to be a very short, lazy video because, as I was doing 20-minute meal, but this might be... Sorry, I just sprayed the pan. But this one's going to be very, 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 very short. So today we're making General Tso's chicken, what I like to call Chinese night. But... kind of dropped some. Anywho, found that Save a Lot. Save a Lot doing this thing called 5 for 5. You pick a 5, pay $20. Actually, no, it's not 5 for 5. It is 5 for 5. It's called Pick 5 or something. So it's like you pick 5, pay $20, and that's how it goes. So now, last time I made orange chicken. Today I'm making General Tso's chicken because for some odd reason, my husband don't know if he like the difference. He don't know if he like General Tso's chicken or orange chicken. But he keeps saying orange chicken because when we go to Chinese store, they be like orange chicken. So it be orange chicken. But he said no, I like General Tso's chicken. Mind you, General Tso's chicken I was told was spicy, and the orange chicken is sweet. But he said no, I like General Tso's chicken. So he gonna get some General Tso's chicken, and if it's spicy, it's his fault. So it's easy. You just put this on a... Now, last time I put it inside, like a little pot, like a pot, whatever. Oh, my head itch. I gotta hurry up. But, I put it in like a little pot. So, I'm like, ew. It was good. Don't get me wrong. It was just soft. I need some crispy chicken. It was soft. So, today, I'm putting it in like, I'm putting it on a sheet tray. And I sprayed my pan already. Hold on. I don't know. I want to show you in a second. I'm going to take a picture. I'm going to drop it below or something. Anywho, I put it inside a baking sheet or whatever. And by the put it in the oven, I already preheated my oven to 400 degrees. Won't put it in there for like 20 minutes because this is a 20-minute meal. Won't put it in there for like 10 minutes. Well, it got to all happen in 20 minutes. Anyway, I'm not going to change this. Like 30 minutes or something. Either way, it's 20 minutes because it takes me 20 minutes to explain these meals. So, and you're not gonna time yourself. Some people may take 20 minutes. I don't know. So I'm gonna put it in the oven and the baby about to fall. Hold on. Melanie! Stay. I'll be back. I'm coming. Anywho, I'm gonna put it in the oven and we're gonna brown it, and then I'm gonna come back with the broccoli, put the broccoli on the stove, act like I'm lang with the chang and Chinese night. There you go. Be back. See y'all. Hey everyone, I'm back. And like I said, it's gonna be a very short video because it was literally like the fastest meal ever. So maybe this one not 20 minutes, it's like 10 minutes. But yeah, so I get the broccoli and the chicken, and then what did I do? I did the broccoli and chicken, and now I'm about to add the sauce. About to add the sauce. Oh! Yeah, I'm about to... I should really do this for a living, because I can cook. Now I know why people always got tripods, because I'm not a good camera person when I'm trying to cook. And that's the end of my video. As always, please like and subscribe, and I'll be back tomorrow dropping a video every day of the week. So make sure y'all come back and watch me make these fabulous meals, or tell a story time, or do a hairstyle, or something, or go shopping. This wonderful life and a boring life for Margaret. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. That's the end of our video. Okay, I forgot to say a couple things. I really ended the video way too fast. But one thing I forgot to say is I didn't take no pictures like I was supposed to. Two, with the broccoli, I use these. That's from Walmart. That's the Great Value broccoli. Sometimes I put it on the stove, but I learned last time that you can put it in a microwave. So put it in a microwave for 5 minutes. I put mine in there for 7 and they got too soft. So I want to say 5 minutes. And that's what I forgot. One thing I forgot about that. And then also, I told y'all it was going to be spicy. It's spicy. Get the orange chicken. Because he over here said, no, I like General Tso's chicken. And he know dang well he like orange chicken. But yeah, just wanted to say that. But other than that, bye.